Well, I just want to do a little channel update while I go over my two main guys. These are the ones that have gone through the most changes. Um, let's start with this guy. This is my daughter's wl144001. This is the one we upgrade. We keep one stock and we have one that we upgrade. Now this has got the body change. This is our basher too. So it's got an LC racing wing, metal shock mounts, metal collars on the steering, but I left the standard polymer arms. It's got a metal wing holder, and that's because we keep breaking them. I think I went through 4 before I finally said, screw it, I'll just get a metal. Now this one, we got our Surpass Hobby wing, or Surpass Hobby Dumbo transmitter in it. And the only thing we upgraded other than that was the ESC. And that was, and the servo, obviously. So it's got a King Val servo in it. And then the upgraded Hobby Wing 1060. Now, this thing is a champ. It's probably my favorite ESC I've gotten so far. It's one I paid the most for. And I didn't pay a lot. I paid like 20 bucks. But the other ones I've been getting combos to get a little cheaper on the cards that I'm not sure if they're staying upgraded. But that's my daughter's main rig. And then I have my EAT, which was the brushless version. We got these about the same time. Now this one's gone through a ton of changes. Got new shock parts. I kept the standard swing arms. I did use the LC Racing sway bars. It's got a stock servo, stock electronics in it. Upgraded all the body mounts in the upper deck for the body set that was in a previous video. But this one's got an LC slipper clutch. So it's got the whole drivetrain is completely different. It's pretty cool. It's probably my favorite drive. You lose some speed with the slipper clutch, at least that's what I've noticed, but it evens it out and it makes it much more controllable. This thing has gone through a lot of changes. We had a carbon fiber chassis on, lasted a day, you know, but these two are my main. This is what started it all. This is not like I've got probably 11 or 12 cars now, all of them under $100, and one made from scratch. And that's kind of how this all started. This was something for my daughter and I to do in the winter time. It's become an obsession. My channel's growing great. I don't know if anybody has noticed, but I'm up over 200 subscribers as of this video. And I think it's been a lot of work. I think I did 170 videos so far. And I only started this channel back in February 2nd, I think was the first video upload. So you're talking only a couple months. I'm going to keep pushing at it. I don't feel any burnout at all. I just I always want to make videos. So today we're going to get snow. We had 70 degrees yesterday and we're going to get snow today. So I don't know what. We're looking on our track, trying to get things rolling, but I don't know. If you watch any of our videos, the gantry just came out. I just put out a few videos on that. This is what broke on the gantry. It's the T-bone. So I ordered from 3 different places the sets, and that's just to kind of see. I need more than one anyways, and also then I'm better shot at getting it quicker from one versus the other, especially with this stuff. It's hard to find in the US. But that should be back and running. We also got 2 new smaller cars coming, probably in a week or so. Depends on mail, for review and check out. They're all $100 ones. That's kind of my thing. I like the $100 specials, and I'll have some other ones, but pretty much everything on here, everything on our channel has been under $100. I don't know. I don't know. We're getting what was it? I think we're well over 30,000 views now. We're pumping right along. And I gotta thank all you guys. The subscribers. I've been trying to be active in the YouTube community and just messaging when I can, commenting as much as possible, looking for ideas, because that's where I get all my ideas from, is from the rest of you guys. I just like playing with them. They're just fun. So I don't know. I'll probably take the poly off these once I take them one last rip, because this hasn't even been to the skate park since we changed the body style. So I'm going to do a video of these guys again soon. Other than that, I don't know. I dig it. We're moving right along, and hopefully it won't be long till we get that 250, 300, 500 subscribers, and we can keep moving. I don't know if this is going to turn into anything. I'm just having fun with it right now. So hopefully you guys are enjoying what I'm putting out. Yeah, I think that's about it. That's about all I got right now. Any other updates? Oh, I found a possible... I'm working with a couple battery companies trying to figure out the best battery to do some 3S testing on all these, because I don't even have a 3S battery and I don't have a ton of extra money, so I want to buy the right one. So I've contacted a couple people. One's an American company. I'll let you know if things pan out with any of that. There's also a new company that has a lot of parts pretty cheap. Once the parts come in from an order I put in, I'll be linking to them. They're been real responsive. I've been messaging them back and forth on the parts I need, and it's kind of like stock parts. Like, I got 4 cars that use a lot of the same parts, so I want to get a bunch of sway bars, a bunch of it's mostly WL stuff. Anyways, that's about all I got for today. I mean, these cars need to be run. That's all I know. We'll be starting back at the farm soon, so I'll probably be cutting down some of my videos, or there'll be shorts just of what we're doing on the farm. We got our strawberries. We're doing blueberries now. We're getting things rolling. But yeah. Again, like and subscribe and all that if you like what I'm doing, and I appreciate all support from my subs and whatnot. Yeah. Till I see you. Peace.